So hello guys, welcome to our channel ELBW Feel and React
Kachu Reaction
and
Habu reaction.
Kachu, Habu, ELBW. So if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe us. First of all, we are going to watch Lim Young Hoon first time, and I think he is Japanese singer maybe. And he is singing the song Hero. This is an official MV, that means official music video.
Oh, right. And I heard about Young, but I never heard of his song.
But I am listening first time his name also. So it's exciting moment for me because the thumbnail is so creative. Hero. Such kind of message must be there. So without wasting time, let's start.
Oh,
Wow.
He's looking beautiful.
Eyes looking.
Oh,
Wow.
and I think he was looking for something.
maybe.
세상이 한창의 물이 너의
Oh,
앞길을 가로막을 때
wow.
Voice tone.
That voice tone is little bit different, unique one.
Yes.
Unique one, and the lyrics was too
Marvelous.
marvelous and
Really?
too perfect of this type of themes.
Too realistic also.
Yes.
That blocks you away. Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Like this
Really?
always, really.
It's
It means feeling something, and he is expressing his feelings to
not
us.
his feelings. He's expressing everyone's life.
Yes.
I think.
Yes. I was.
You are telling me. That's rhythm is
Really,
totally good.
There should be copyright issue.
Okay, maybe a copyright issue, but we can bear that. But if you support us, then we can remove our copyright strike. So just support us. Oh wow.
Really.
We are ready to go.
Really. We have to go for.
창밖으로 비춰오는
Wow.
시시각각 바뀌는 구름에
What he is representing.
Really, I think he representing someone to believe himself, and he was
Yeah.
saying that just believe at me and go. I will protect you from every substances.
Wow.
I think that is you want
You have
tell someone.
You have described that thing so perfectly and clear way.
Yes.
Yeah, I can feel that things also. I
Yes.
think you also feeling the same thing.
Heart touching songs and love it. And
Okay. That's it. Yeah, I will.
Yes.
I will protect you.
Trust in me
and go. Oh, that's the lyrics.
That's the lyrics.
Okay.
Really.
সবাই একসঙ্গে। Just like
Just like this.
fox.
Not fox yet, man. This is someone's feeling, and this is one's feeling.
Yeah.
We should not
No, not the. I am not telling the singer appreciation. I am
Yes.
telling from our side that we are just.
We are just like
barking.
Fox. It
Yeah.
could be possible.
Maybe we are
Yes.
four.
And
FOLK, four.
I think this should be the most usable criteria for being a hero. And you could be a hero, not for the others. You could be a
Yeah.
hero for special one.
Yeah. That. Oh my God! You guessed the
Really?
right moment.
Yes.
Yes.
And that's why I love this song too much.
Okay. When I go
Far away, far away. Just trust in me and
Oh.
go wherever you want. I will protect you all the time.
Really,
This is one of the
why,
best.
That's why the song name is Hero.
Yes.
Really nice one.
I think that music system,
Yeah.
music composition was good.
Good,
And
that's-
really, in slow motion songs, there should be a perfect music combination. And so why this song is so beautiful to us. Okay.
And I'm watching Lim Yong Hoon on that moment when the music is going in background. They perfectly cover up.
Cover up himself. Yes.
Yeah.
And he is expressing what he is feeling, and we're feeling this too.
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Here he is expressing another things.
His daily life, I think.
Yes, his daily life, and he is expressing something. If you are precious to me, when you lean on my shoulder, then I feel so grateful to you.
Oh.
And this is, I think, one of the best love song ever
This
have
gentle
heard.
love song, this
Gentle love song.
and taking all the responsibility and the not only expressing the love, beyond the love there is
There-
something. That's why the bond is so
Yes,
strong.
yes. There's
Because-
something like respect to others.
Yeah.
Yes, I am hero. It doesn't mean I am the Superman. I am the otherwise.
not that one.
I am hero, and you are with me. That is my great luck.
Yeah.
I am lucky, just like that. Now we make a guy.
Wow.
Is that any stage performance there?
I think they have shooted all this thing for that music video.
Oh.
That's why they have created all this thing.
Okay. I thought that would be a stage performance.
No, stage performance.
She is showing off something. Yes.
I think he has singing in 2 or 3 different languages also.
Yes. I already have observed that. And did you hear that? He was singing in Japanese, and he was singing in English, back to back, Japanese English, Japanese English.
Yeah.
This is brilliant.
Brilliant comedy. Oh, really? They just cover up the moment when he performed in the stage.
Yes.
That's why you are also correct that they have covered all this footage from when he is performing on the stage, live shows, in etc.
Yes.
That's why this lightning is showing that.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I think I am now observing that the love is not for the mankind, or
Yeah.
not for the girls or boys. He is expressing his love to his game, to his daily life doing,
Yeah.
I think.
And maybe his followers also. For
Yes,
that-
yes, yes.
For his followers.
Definitely. It would be just
Yeah.
believe in me. I will be your hero. Definitely. So, guys, believe in me.
Wow. So
Wow.
flashing.
This smile speaks a lot about him.
Yeah.
He's totally set-up-minded person, I think.
So that's a great combination of all those things, and most of the thing is that he has represent himself so perfectly, and I have watched very few of song just kind of that, because in a single song he has described his daily life, his past activity, his recent ongoing song shooting, everything. And most important is that he have described the love situation, that how to become a hero.
So we all should have tried to become a hero to anyone, to at least one or two person. You no need to be a hero for all other the person, but still you are a hero for one or two person, and you must be a hero.
Okay. That's
Okay.
it for today.
Okay,
We will
guys.
come back with new song, new day, again and again. Just suggest us, and thank you for
Thank
watching.
you for, and bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Have a nice day.